Is there actually a secret to healing faster? For thousands of years, humans have been warring, competing, and pushing the limits. Fighting against each other, against the forces of nature, against time itself. And one commonality all humans share, regardless of what era in history, is the ability to be injured. Over the years, humans have tried thousands of remedies to treat injuries of every conceivable form. Medications, therapies, surgeries. One thing that holds true across all generations is this: your body is the most powerful healing agent ever assembled. Today we're looking into a procedure that does just that, harnesses the healing power of your body to help heal injuries, repair tendon and ligament damage, and can even be used to reverse hair loss. What we're talking about is PRP, or Platelet Rich Plasma. And we're going to go through the whole process today and bring you along for the ride. This is the pursuit of everything.
So yeah, this is probably number 10 times I've been here.
At least 4 or 5.
Yeah. We've done shoulders. We did the hamstring thing, or what was it? The tubular band? Yeah. The tuberosity was it? It was something. It was like something way up in the upper.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you were upper hamstring.
Ischial tuberosity.
That's right. Yeah, that works pretty well, didn't it?
It worked really well. Yeah.
Well, the problem is you're just like you're an absolute maniac. Every once in a
He's
while,
in a good way.
like it's just, I'm like,
Yeah. So I just come back in here and they patch me up again, and then
on your way to go destroy yourself.
Ready, bud?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Dr. Mackey's quick with it.
10.
Here, I'm gonna give the
25.
caveman explanation, and then I'm sure Dr. Mackey will give us a better explanation. But
I don't know. You know it pretty well right now.
they're taking blood from me. So just like when you cut yourself, obviously it scabs up, it eventually heals. That's because the blood flows to that area, brings all the platelets, all the good stuff to that area. Your tendons, your joints, a lot of these areas that don't get any blood flow. Because of that, they're not getting any of these platelets. They're not getting any of the good stuff that comes with the blood. They don't heal themselves usually very easily. What we're doing, taking blood out. Tim's gonna spin it around in a centrifuge, take all the good stuff out of the blood. They're gonna inject that into my shoulders.
So right now what we're doing is we are filling the blood separation tube. What this does is this fills 60 cc's of the blood into the blood separation tube, and what we're going to do is spin it for 2 minutes. Spin it, and it's going to separate the red blood cells from the plasma.
How's my blood look?
Red?
Is that good?
Yeah, no, it looks good. Perfect. You can start to see that. So that's the counterbalance. And we're going to start that. It's going to slowly start to spin. These are on swivels, so they actually, a larger diameter tube, they will be more horizontal, and so it causes a slower separation process. It begins, because you
More
see
natural,
it's slowly starting to increase the speed, so it's going to separate more gradually, more gently, and that way we don't have the blood cells get damaged or start the premature cascading process. Basically, we're going to have 2 layers. You're going to have the red blood cells on the bottom, and then you're going to have the plasma up on top. So as soon as this is done, and this slowly stops, it winds down. And then I'm going to basically separate, I'm going to extract just the plasma and put it in the platelet concentrating tube. Now, fill the platelet concentrating tube. And then once we get around here, we'll go slow so it doesn't bubble up too much. This is going to spin a little bit longer, and it's going to concentrate. It's going to push the denser platelets all the way to the bottom. And then when we take it out, you'll see the platelets on the bottom of that tube. So I'm going to extract the platelet poor plasma, and then I'm going to reswirl, and so that we're left with what becomes a platelet rich plasma. Now on the bottom, a couple of red blood cells, but that circle right there is full of the platelets. The centrifugal force has caused them to all go down to the bottom, and what we do is we swirl gently to not start to activate them, and that is going to raise them off the bottom of the platelet concentrating tube, and that's going to give us this platelet rich plasma, which is going to be full of a higher concentration of platelets that would occur naturally in your body. So when we inject that intra-articularly into the, in this case into the shoulders, these will start to signal the the natural healing process of the body.
It's crazy because it kind of feels like, after you get it, it feels like the injury, like after almost just happened, but you can tell it's like the PRP is like attacking that area and kind of like signaling things there. That it's inflammation that you can feel.
That's the inflammatory effect is designed to protect the body as well as to initiate healing. So, but what we're doing is we are causing inflammation with what your body needs. Now, I've done this more times than I can count, but it's always interesting. Do it gently until all the cells. We don't want to leave any soldiers behind, so to speak, because we're talking about billions of cells at this point when it comes down to the platelets. It's always using your own cells to heal your body is always the way to go. Yeah, you can clearly see the demarcations. But when you turn it around, you can still see right through that because that's platelet poor. But that's platelet rich, so it's chock full of all the cells and everything that we need.
So from that to that.
This, we don't need this. We removed all this, and this is the good stuff. So there we go. Doc, you ready?
Right. Let's go put it to use.
Right.
Let's go. About a week before you take any anti-inflammatory medications, including things like ibuprofen, Advil,
Even like a cold tub or stuff like that. That's anti-inflammatory.
It is, believe it or not, or even ice on the area directly applied. Yeah, just those are even more powerful in that sense as far as anti-inflammatory.
So you want to stay away from anything like that. That's going to be
for a week.
It almost feels like it's attacking the injury, so to speak.
Yes.
It's like it's similar to the pain of the injury, but it's like a relieving sense of like it's working.
It's working, exactly. Yeah,
so.
That's
You're the man.
You're welcome. That's my pleasure. Always, you know that.
Shout out anybody in the Jupiter area. Dr. Tim is hands down best in his field, best in the area. Takes care of us constantly. He's the only reason that my arms are still attached to my body.
We're trying to keep them going.
Yeah, so I appreciate it big time.
Seriously, my pleasure.
Starting to feel a little bit in my shoulders. It'll just be more like a pressure than anything. But once the numbing medication wears off, I'll start to feel that inflammation. They directed me to have no anti-inflammatory medicine, so no Advil or anything that's going to reduce inflammation. You want that response, so you want that little bit of soreness, you want to feel it. Over the next 4 days, I'll have some inflammation, some soreness in the joints, which I just know it just means it's working. And then about 4 days from now, I will be ready to go with my shoulders feeling fresher than ever. If you have any injuries, if you have recurring injuries or anything like this, I
highly recommend that you check out PRP. If you're in Jupiter, check out Novogenics. Even if, you know, surgery is still what needs to be done, it's always good to get that second option. You can even use this to expedite the recovery process when you're coming off of surgery. Something good to get comfortable with that can really save you a lot of time, money, and headaches in the future. Hope you like this episode. If you want more, like, follow, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys right back here next time I get injured and have to come see Novogenics. I think for now, we're gonna call that a motherfucking wrap.